Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Player. We were talking about linked list operations. In today's tutorial we are going to learn about how we can search an element in a given linked list. Suppose I have a linked list with nodes and I want to find that the node exists with any given value or not. So I just wrote a code. I'm just clearing the flow here. So I make a class search node, and there is a static class node by which we will create a new node, and there is a method previous item in which I'm inserting some nodes to the linked list with the value 10, 16, 21 and 65, and here linking the node to each other with the next pointer. Now this is the method which will print the linked list items, and here is our main method. So I just call a previous item, means I'm inserting the node in a linked list and I'm just printing the nodes values. So if we run this program right now, we will see that initial items, our initial item in linked list is 10, 16, 21 and 65. Now suppose we have to find that 16 node with value 16 is exist in our linked list or not, or node with value something like 85 does exist in our node or not. So how would we do that? So there would be two approach. First is iterative approach, second is recursive approach. So if you guys have any other approach, then please do comment. I'm waiting such type of comment. So I just create first method search node iterative ways. In this method I will take an input which will be the value by which we were comparing the node value that node exists or not. So first we create a node, temporary node, in which I will point temporary node to the head node. Now I will taking here a while loop. So while loop will run until temp not equal to null, and in this while loop I'm comparing that the temp node dot data means linked list node dot data equal to value. So because our linked list values is integer type, so I'm comparing equal to value. If it exists means our values means given values is exist in a linked list node, so we will return true here, and then our operation is done. Otherwise we will increment temp equal to temp dot next, and this while loop will run until it will find that the value exists or not, or it will return false if not exist. So just uncomment this line. I am calling this method search iterative ways with input 87, means we want to find that 87 value node exists in our linked list or not. And I just did a condition print statement. If found, then it will print node exist in given linked list. If it does not found, then it will print node does not exist in given linked list. So just save and test about the iterative approach. Run this. So our initial item was 10, 16, 21, 65, and we were searching about 87, and as we see 87 does not exist in our linked list node, so it will print node does not exist in a given linked list. Suppose we have to search 21, so just change the value to 21, save it and run it. Then yes, our initial linked list node was 10, 16, 21, 65, and node exists in a given linked list, means 21 is exist in a given linked list. So that's it. Now we are going to see the second approach, search node recursive way. In this method I am taking two input as a node by which we can search, and the integer value by which we can compare the value to the node value. So if temporary node means given input node is null, then it will return false. If the given input node dot data equal to value means we find the node that node with given value is exist, then we will return true. Otherwise we will return the same method with input node as temporary dot next and value, means in this recursive call we are incrementing that node to the next node with the same value. So this is the basic recursion architecture. You can search about it online. Now we will call this method from the main method. So I already did call, so I just have to comment the iterative way and comment the recursive way. So save it. Now I am searching, I am passing the input head node and I am searching the value 48. Now run this. So our initial list was 10, 16, 21, 65 and node does not exist in given linked list, as node 48 does not exist in our linked list. So it will print node does not exist. Now suppose again if we have to find search 21, then change the value to 21, save it and then run it, and it will print now that node exists in a given linked list. So that's it guys for this tutorial. If you have any suggestion, any comment or any better logic to do this operation, please do comment. Please provide us a feedback. Please provide us any improvement point you have by comment, and please subscribe our channel, and so that you can be updated. We will be keep posting on the linked list operation more tutorials, more videos will come in the next week. Thank you.